Hey traders, Solana is up 4% in the last 24 hours, now trading around $86, and volume is looking strong. So the big question, are we seeing real bullish momentum, or is this just a trap? Strong volume usually means buyers are stepping in, which could push SOL higher if the trend holds. But remember, short-term pumps can turn into fakeouts if momentum slows down. Watch those key support levels and volume closely. If they hold, bulls might stay in control. If not, this move could fade quickly. Stay smart, manage your risk, and don't chase blindly. What do you think? Bullish or cautious? Also, quick update. We've just released our latest Solana price prediction update. Support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for Solana. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.